Hey there! So one of the biggest problems that startups have is the ability to raise money. It's hard, it's really hard. Now, you can improve your chances of raising money by making sure that every time you ask for money, you ask for it in the right way. Generally, the way that you ask for money is through a pitch. You're going to present to somebody the opportunity that you're trying to offer to them so that they give you money to put into your company. A bad pitch is always going to end up with confused investors who walk away saying, I'll never invest in them. With a great pitch, you can take people who are doubtful and you can bring them on the journey with you. In this short course, I'm going to take you through what I've learned in raising $1.5 billion. There's an art to the pitch, and I'm going to try and take you through the art of the pitch. What a pitch deck should look like. What should the format be? How does it need to look aesthetically? How do you prepare for the pitch? How do you pitch? What is the presentation skills that you need to do a good pitch? And importantly, I'm going to encourage you to make sure that you ask for something at the end of the pitch. So join the course now, and you too can go towards Pitch Perfect.